thunderstorm warning for north central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Naperville, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Naperville, Bolingbrook, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Woodridge, Palmer Glen, Lamont, Lisle, Darien, and Palos Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a